Here's how to fix the profile has some issue error on Facebook. In order to fix this problem, you need to first update your Facebook application. So open your Play Store or App Store according to your device. Search for Facebook application. And if you see an update button over there, simply go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest version. Now try clearing the cache. Tap and hold onto the Facebook application. Tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info. Scroll down, tap on Storage, click on Clear Cache. And now check if the problem is fixed. If the problem persists, open your Facebook application. Tap on your user icon in the top right corner of your screen. From this page, you need to go ahead and scroll all the way down and tap on Help and Support. Now tap on Report a Problem. Tap on Continue to report a problem. From this page, you need to scroll all the way down and tap on Profile, that is between privacy and reactive media. Now in this box, simply go ahead and describe the issue that you're experiencing. You can also include a screen recording or screenshot of the error. And once done, tap on Send in the top right corner of your screen. And the Facebook team will then assist you in resolving the error. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.